Hello everyone! Welcome back to Epic Taste USA today. I'm sharing my mom's old chicken and rice recipe that has been a family favorite for years. This recipe is simple, full of flavor, and honestly, tastes even better than pizza. I hope you enjoy making it as much as my family does. After watching, please let me know in the comments how you liked my recipe and which country you're watching from. I truly enjoy reading your comments. If you like this video, please support my channel by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribing to Epic Taste USA for more easy and delicious recipes. Now, let's get started. I took 2 kilograms of chicken
and 5 tomatoes chopped, and 5 onions chopped. Add 2 TSP cumin seeds, add 1 TSP black pepper, add 3 cinnamon sticks, add 3 curry leaves, add 5 cloves, add 2 black cardamoms,
add the onion to the pan. Onions are golden brown. Add the chicken. Cook for a few minutes, then add the tomatoes. Chicken is half cooked. Add the tomatoes. Where are you watching from? Comment below. Like this video and support my channel. Please like, subscribe, and help my channel grow. Thank you. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 packet biryani powder. Now add 1 glass water. Now add the rice soaked for 30 minutes. Add 7 green chilies and biryani powder. It's done, and dish it out. So guys, our delicious chicken Anns. Rice is finally ready. It looks amazing and tastes even better. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Epic Tastes USA, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Be sure to check out my other videos for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.